Driving theory test. How would you react to drivers who appear to be inexperienced? Be patient and prepare for them to react more slowly. Sound your horn to warn them of your presence. Flash your headlights to indicate that it is safe for them to proceed. Overtake them as soon as possible. The correct answer is be patient and prepare for them to react more slowly. Explanation. Learners might not have confidence when they first start to drive. Allow them plenty of room and don't react adversely to their hesitation. We all learn from experience, but new drivers will have had less practice in dealing with all the situations that might occur. In daylight, an approaching motorcyclist is using a dipped headlight. Why? To improve the rider's vision. The rider is inviting you to proceed, so that the rider can be seen more easily. To stop the battery overcharging. The correct answer is so that the rider can be seen more easily. Explanation. A motorcycle can be lost from sight behind another vehicle. The use of the headlight helps to make it more conspicuous and therefore more easily seen. When may you wait in a box junction? When approaching a Pelican crossing. When oncoming traffic prevents you turning right. When approaching a zebra crossing. When you are stationary in a queue of traffic. The correct answer is when oncoming traffic prevents you turning right. Explanation. The purpose of a box junction is to keep the junction clear by preventing vehicles from stopping in the path of crossing traffic. You must not enter a box junction unless your exit is clear, but you may enter the box and wait if you want to turn right, and are only prevented from doing so by oncoming traffic. Which vehicle might have to use a different course to normal at roundabouts? Sports car, long vehicle, estate car, van. The correct answer is long vehicle. Explanation. A long vehicle may have to straddle lanes, either on or approaching a roundabout, so that the rear wheels don't cut in over the curb. If you're following a long vehicle, stay well back and give it plenty of room. You must obey signs giving orders. These signs are mostly in green rectangles, blue rectangles, red triangles, red circles. The correct answer is red circles. Explanation. There are three basic types of traffic sign. Those that warn, inform, or give orders. Generally, triangular signs warn. Rectangular ones give information or directions, and circular signs usually give orders. An exception is the 8-sided stop sign. What does this sign mean? Route for trams only. Parking for trams only. Parking for buses only. Route for buses only. The correct answer is route for trams only. Explanation: avoid blocking tram routes. Trams are fixed on their route and can't maneuver around other vehicles and pedestrians. Modern trams travel quickly and are quiet, so you might not hear them approaching. What does this sign mean? You have priority over vehicles from the opposite direction. You are entering a one-way street. 2. Way traffic ahead. No overtaking. The correct answer is you have priority over vehicles from the opposite direction. Explanation: don't force your way through if oncoming vehicles fail to give way. If necessary, slow down and give way to avoid confrontation or a collision. Where would you see this road marking? Near a level crossing. On road humps. At a box junction. At traffic lights. The correct answer is on road humps. Explanation: due to the dark color of the road, changes in level aren't easily seen. White triangles painted on the road surface give you an indication of where there are road humps. You are on a motorway in fog. The left-hand edge of the motorway can be identified by reflective studs. What color are they? Red, amber, green, white. The correct answer is red. Explanation: be especially careful if you're on a motorway in fog. Reflective studs are used to help you in poor visibility. Different colors are used so that you'll know which lane you are in. These are red on the left-hand side of the road, white between lanes, amber on the right-hand edge of the carriageway, green between the carriageway and slip roads. You are in the left-hand lane at traffic lights. You are waiting to turn left. At which of these traffic lights must you not move on? Explanation: at some junctions, there may be a separate signal for different lanes. These are called filter lights. They're designed to help traffic flow at major junctions. Make sure that you're in the correct lane and proceed if the way is clear and the green light shows for your lane.